Chemical cleaners are used widely, but our health and earth deserves a safer and greener choice. Bioenzyme cleaners. At Shree Vidya School, we follow the practice of making bioenzymes and encourage our students to carry this simple habit into their homes as well. In a fun, curiosity-filled session, children learn how to make bioenzymes. Along with their teacher, they discover that only a few simple ingredients are needed: an airtight container, water, fruit peels, and jaggery. The magic lies in the ratio: 1 part jaggery, 3 parts kitchen waste like citrus peels, and 10 parts water, all measured by volume. Through this activity, our children not only gain knowledge but also realize how effective bioenzymes are. They work as natural cleaners, cut down harmful chemicals, and recycle everyday kitchen waste into something useful. It shows them how small and simple practices can make a big difference to the environment. At Shree Vidya, we nurture young minds to be mindful, responsible, and sustainable for a greener tomorrow.